Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chlorella water. First, gather your ingredients, high-quality chlorella powder, and about 8 to 16 ounces of filtered water. You might also want a shaker bottle or a spoon for mixing. This simple drink is a fantastic way to incorporate more greens into your daily routine, offering a boost of vitamins and minerals. It's a quick and easy preparation that fits into any busy schedule. To begin mixing, measure out 1 to 2 teaspoons of chlorella powder. Carefully add this powder to your glass or shaker bottle. Next, pour in 8 to 16 ounces of filtered water. It's important to stir or shake the mixture thoroughly until the chlorella powder is completely dissolved. This ensures a smooth consistency and even distribution of nutrients in your drink, making it more enjoyable to consume. For optimal benefits, it's best to drink your chlorella water immediately after preparing it. If you have any leftover, you can store it in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. However, remember that freshly made chlorella water provides the highest potency and nutrient absorption. Consider making smaller batches to ensure you consume it at its freshest. To enhance the flavor, try adding a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice to your chlorella water. This can also aid in nutrient absorption. Regular consumption of chlorella water is known to support your body's natural detoxification pathways and may contribute to increased energy and overall vitality. Make it a consistent part of your wellness routine for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.